Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting my material titled RFID batch class attendance system. But before I begin explaining the material, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rajarinus Mamora and my student ID number is 2331636. Alright, that's all from my introduction. So now let's move on the presentation. Literature study. Uh, Number one, RFID implementation in employment attendance and payroll system. Case study at PT Kartika Utama Semarang, Source University of Computer Science and Technology. Attendance system using RFID technology. Student Days of Electrical Engineering Universitas of Indonesia. Source University of Indonesia. Student attendance system using RFID. Source International Journal of Research in Engineering, Science and Management (IJRSM). Attendance tracking using RFID and IoT. Source Journal of Student Research. And number five, attendance system application for lecture and student using RFID and web-based Raspberry Pi 3 Plus source presenting of the Tuan Borobudur International Symposium of Science and Technology. Okay, next, need analysis. Need analysis. Hardware requirement ESP32 as microcontroller, FAD as main sensor, RTC and accurate time tracker. A software requirement itu HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Google App Script, JavaScript, spreadsheet, method of observation, document analysis. Development method. Requirement analysis, initial design, prototype building, user evaluation, reference, implementation, and maintenance. Okay, flowchart. The flowchart illustrates the process of an RFID badge attendance system using an ESP32 microcontroller. It began with system initialization, including RTC, RFID, LCD, and Wi-Fi module. The system waits for a student to scan the RFID card. If the RFID uh, RFID card is not valid for attendance, the system display gagal. Error. Kartu tidak dikenal on the LCD. If the UID is registered in the database, the system fetches the current time from the RTC. Active a buzzer and display the user UID on the LCD. The data in the upload to the attendance database, including the date, time, and attendance status. A success message is shown on the LCD, followed by a data confirmation screen, a brief delay, and finally the system returns to the starting point to repeat the process. Okay, next. The block diagram. Block diagram. The block diagram illustrates an RFID based attendance system using ESP32, the RFID sensor. Scan the ID card and send the data to the ESP32. Microcontrol the ESP32. Process the data and display relevant information of the LCD. Simultaneously, the data is sent to Google App Scripts, which communication with a Google spreadsheet that serves as a database. Web user can access the spreadsheet for attendance record, and feedback from the web or database can be sent back to uh, Google App Script to the ESP32 for system responsive of or update. Okay, next UI UX. Uh, this this is the login screen, and it is already connect to the database using phpMyAdmin. The display looks like this. Next, the screen appears after a successful login. It directly show the class attendance status, where you can see whether a student is a present, late, or absent. The section display and allow editing of newly registered card. The card do not initial consent any name, but through this screen we can edit and assist names. Once editing, when the card is tapped again, it will display the assigned name along with the attendance status. Okay, now I will continue briefly explaining the hardware used in the device. The project use an ESP32 as the microcontroller. He also used an RFID sensor, which function as the input for reading the ID from the card that we will tap. And then additionally, I use a step down converter and a 12-volt adapter. We also use an RTC module to provide real-time clock functionally. You can see the explaining illustrates the in the image. Analysis of test results. Data is accurate. Scanning card to front data, no problem. There are still some bugs on the web spreadsheet and web disconnect warning. Flow in our system is highly dependent of internet connection. Data scanning to spreadsheet. Some sheet columns have not been underlined processed in the font. Overall, the system is working as intended. Okay, that's all from my presentation. I apologize if there were a mistake, or if my explain was lacking in my way. Thank you for your attention. I end my presentation here. Goodbye and see you next time. Bye bye.